Welcome to Best Choice. The best crimp beads is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components in creating professional-looking, durable jewelry pieces, providing the crucial finishing touch that secures clasps and keeps your intricate designs perfectly aligned, transforming a simple string of beads into a polished, wearable work of art that truly stands the test of time and wear. Number 5. PandaHall Silver Crimp Tube Beads. Discover the versatility of these essential jewelry components. They are perfect for securing your designs and adding a professional finish to your handmade creations. You'll receive a generous 3,000 pieces in 3 convenient sizes, 1.5mm, 2mm, and 2.5mm. This variety ensures you have the right size for any project, from delicate to robust. Crafted from high-quality brass, these beads boast a smooth surface and are resistant to rust and breakage. Their electroplated finish provides the lasting, bright silver shine. Simply use flat-nosed pliers to crimp them, effectively hiding knots in various cords and wires. They integrate seamlessly with jump rings, clasps, and other findings for endless possibilities. Their classic tube shape and platinum color make them easy to match with any design aesthetic. Use them for beading, sewing, card making, or even crafting beautiful dream catchers and sun catchers. From elegant earrings and bracelets to intricate necklaces and anklets, these tiny tubes are incredibly versatile. They are ideal for charms, pendants, keychains, and even eyeglass chains. What we like? This set offers a generous quantity across 3 distinct sizes, all crafted from reliable brass. If you're a beginner or need a large supply of basic, durable crimps for various projects, this is an excellent choice. Its classic design and multiple sizes make it perfect for diverse jewelry creations. What people say. No positive product details available from the provided empty source. No positive product details available from the provided empty source. Number 4. Thrilez 2,200-piece jewelry crimping kit. Unlock your creativity with this comprehensive kit. It includes 2,200 crimp beads in various sizes and colors, plus a high-quality crimping pliers. Crafted from reliable copper, these crimp tubes are designed for lasting beauty. They resist rust and feature bright, electroplated colors that won't fade. With a classic tubular design, these beads come in 3 sizes and 4 popular colors. They effortlessly complement any DIY jewelry creation you envision. Easily secure your designs using the included crimping pliers. These versatile crimps work perfectly with various cords and can be paired with other findings like jump rings and clasps. From elegant earrings to charming bracelets and intricate necklaces, the possibilities are endless. Use them to create a wide array of personalized accessories and crafts. What we like? This kit stands out by including not just crimp beads in 4 different colors but also a dedicated crimping pliers. If you're just starting out and need a complete package to begin your jewelry making journey, this set provides essential tools and variety. Its multicolor options allow for greater creative freedom in your designs. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract any points as the source was empty. Number 3. Acejoz 1200 PCS Jewelry Crimp Beads Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your jewelry projects. It includes a vast assortment of crimp beads, covers, wire guardians, clasps, and jump rings. You'll have plenty of supplies to bring your creative visions to life. Achieve perfect crimps every time with the included high-precision pliers. They feature anti-slip grip handles for maximum comfort during use. These are ideal for all your wire crafting and jewelry design needs. The kit comes with 65 feet of sturdy tiger tail beading wire. Made from stainless steel microwires with a protective nylon coating, it offers excellent flexibility, drape, and kink resistance. Your creations will be both beautiful and durable. No more searching for tiny components. All the crimp beads and covers are neatly organized in a 12-compartment storage box. This keeps your small parts tidy and easily accessible for your next project. These supplies are perfect for hiding knots and securing various strings and wires. Combine them with jump rings, clasps, and beads to craft stunning earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and anklets. The possibilities are truly endless. What we like? This is a truly comprehensive kit, offering not only crimp tubes and covers but also wire guardians, lobster clasps, jump rings, a crimping pliers, and even beading wire. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to tackle various jewelry projects from start to finish, this set has everything you need. Its inclusion of beading wire is a significant advantage for immediate project initiation. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to select points. Number 2. Acejoz 2251 Crimp Beads Kit. Discover a comprehensive set for all your jewelry crafting needs. This kit provides a generous amount of crimp tubes, covers, knot covers, and wire guardians in various colors. It's everything you need to start creating beautiful pieces. Achieve perfect results every time with the included high-precision crimping pliers. Its anti-slip grip handles ensure maximum comfort during use. This tool is ideal for all your wire crafting projects. Choose from 6 stunning colors, including silver, gold, and antique bronze, to perfectly match any jewelry design. These diverse options allow you to create unique and personalized accessories. They provide endless creative possibilities. Keep your small components neat and tidy with a high-quality 24-compartment storage container. Each type of bead is individually placed, ensuring easy access and organization. This thoughtful design prevents clutter and saves you time. These essential components are perfect for hiding knots in various strings and wires. They can be easily combined with jump rings, clasps, and beads to craft earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and more. Unleash your creativity with them. What we like. This extensive kit provides a huge assortment of crimp components in 6 vibrant colors, along with a comfortable crimping pliers. If you prioritize color variety and a large quantity of different crimp-related findings for complex or multicolored designs, this set is ideal. Its organized container also ensures easy access to all your colorful supplies. What people say. No reviews available in the source to extract points from. No reviews available in the source to extract points from. Number 1. Honbay 2000 PCS 2mm round crimp beads. Introducing the perfect addition to your crafting collection. These versatile beads are designed to enhance all your DIY jewelry projects, adding a professional touch. Crafted from durable metal, they offer both strength and a sleek aesthetic. Their beautiful silver finish ensures they complement any design, adding a touch of elegance. Each bead measures 2 by 1.5 mm with a 1 mm hole, making them ideal for various stringing materials. Their compact size allows for intricate and delicate designs. Whether you're making bracelets, necklaces, or anklets, these beads are your go-to. They provide excellent stopping and spacing functions, giving you full creative control. With a pack containing approximately 2,000 pieces, you'll have plenty for multiple projects. This generous supply ensures you won't run out mid-project, allowing for continuous crafting. What we like. This product offers a massive quantity of 2 mm round crimp beads in a classic silver finish. If you frequently work with a specific size and color, and need a bulk supply for consistent projects, this is a very cost-effective option. Its singular focus on a popular size and color makes it perfect for high-volume, uniform jewelry production. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.